everyone, would you like to learn a new jazz dance with us?
This dance will help you learn some beginning steps in jazz.
And once we've learned all the dance steps, we can put it all together with the music.
And then we'll ask the Wonderwall to take us somewhere special to do our dance. Let's begin.
We are going to take 8 walks on the spot while swinging our arms. Let's give it a go. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step to the side, 2 claps, other side, 2 claps. Good job. Now we do it again. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step to the side, 2 claps, other side, 2 claps.
For our next step, we take our foot to the side and one arm up. Let's go. Up, up, shoulder, shoulder. Up, up, shoulder, shoulder.
Now we add some hips. 2 slow and 3 quick. 2 slow and 3 quick.
Great, now let's learn some more. We take 4 walks to this side with a clap. Now the other side. Let's repeat it. One more time.
Now let's keep going with some roly-poly arms. Roly-poly arms and step to the side. Great job, everyone. You're doing so well. And jump together and clap.
How did you go?
I'm ready to learn the next steps now.
It's just 8 heels forward. Try it with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done.
Out, out, together, clap. Out, out, together, clap. Great job, everyone. You're doing so well with this exercise. I love rainbow arms, so let's add some of those. We reach over and look at our beautiful arms as we create rainbows. Last time.
Now we're going to turn slowly around and tap our knees 3 times. We turn 1, 2, 3, 4, and tap, tap, tap. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and tap, tap, tap.
We're going to jump to the side 8 times and then add some hips. Let's try. We jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hip, hip, 1, 2, 3, and hip, hip, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hip, hip, 1, 2, 3. Hip, hip, 1, 2, 3. Well, you're almost finished. Are you ready to learn the last part?
We use our walks on the spot just like we did at the start of our dance. We walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step to the side, clap and clap. Step to the side, 2 clap.
Repeat that one more time. We walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we turn around with our hands on hips to finish.
We did it! We learned and rehearsed our dance.
Let's ask the Wonderwall to come play with us while we do the whole dance with the music.
Are you ready, Wonderwall?
Okay, let's go.